here. Make sure to subscribe down below, like, comment, and share. Mood? Anyways, what it looks like when the short girls get mad. Yeah. I'm here with the babes, and Jasmine's back there jumping across seats for no reason. We're here in White Wright, Texas, and we came to see what all the ruckus was about because we found ourselves a little sunflower field, and we're super excited. I've actually never seen anything like this, and there's a lot of people taking pictures here. I saw it on Facebook, so I decided to come down here and take a couple of pictures. Okay, so this is walking up. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm in such awe. Anywho, we have Jasmine and Maze as well. We're gonna take a couple of pictures and see.
Early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls. Heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls.
We're having some technical difficulties. Oh my god. Jasmine swears she's on a scavenger hunt. Go a little bit back, a little bit more.
There's a clear road right here.
A clear road? A clear spot, you. She got a cramp. She got a cramp in the middle of the fucking picture.
Get on where I am on. Oh.
Okay, Jasmine, now yell donkey!
Get up. I felt it. 1, 2, 3, jump. Wait, let me change. Hold on. This is so fun.
Go back to the pose.
Wait. Wait, let's go back a little bit. So can you see my whole body?
Okay, guys, so this was the end of our trip. Goodbye, little sunflowers. Bye. Okay, leave me behind. It's fine. Okay, what I was trying to say is that, as y'all can see, let me show them real quick. It's a really popular for taking pictures right now. Oh my god, babe.
What?
Oh, you're... Oh. Dude. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. But it is worth it. I got dirt on my ass. And I got some really good shots of these sunflowers right here. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and today we're going to be running some errands, and I'm bringing y'all along with me. Later on tonight, I'm going to a fireworks show. The baby's getting a haircut, and I need to go grocery shopping for a trip that I'm having this weekend with some friends and the babes, of course. But right now, I'm at the optometrist. I came to pick up my dad's glasses, and I picked up an Amazon package to the post office. But yeah, today's gonna be a really busy day. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so bad. It's so hot out here. But yeah. Ashley, say hi. Oh my gosh, this lighting is so bad, but whew, I'm dying a little bit, but we have a very busy day. Y'all see my Amazon package back there. Y'all will know what's in that Amazon package sooner or later, but right now I am dying because it's super hot out here, and My brother just got back with my dad's glasses. Say hi, Junior. Why are you so grumpy?
Just came home.
Okay, anyways, yeah. Talk to you later. Move. You got the goodies. You got the goodies. Okay guys, so I'm home and I quickly wanted to show y'all my new travel bag, actually, that I'm gonna use for the first time because my boyfriend got it for me. I don't know when or why, but I'm gonna show y'all my little travel bag. I'm so excited because I love the pattern. Look at it. How cute. Okay, so it's Pioneer Woman travel bag, and it's perfect for the occasion because like I said earlier, I'm going on a trip. I'm only taking like maybe possibly 2 outfits, 3 outfits, because I'm only gonna be there for 2 days. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick the outfits that I have laid out for the trip. So the first outfit that I have are my PJs. Probably gonna be in these the whole weekend. I'm kidding, but these are so cute. My mother-in-law actually got these for me. They're so soft. Okay, anyways, my PJs and just a plain t-shirt. My mom got this for me. Next outfit. So, ooh, I look rough. Okay, next outfit. I have these black joggers with, you can barely see them, but they're black joggers and this long sleeve. It's a little crew neck and it's long sleeve. So have this with the joggers. You always have to have a safe outfit. Third outfit. I have these jeans. What? I swear I'm doing something. These jeans, just basic jeans with, they're like washed, light wash jeans. And I went to H&M a couple days ago and I saw this shirt. It's so pretty. Look at it. I love the color. Let's see. It's like off the shoulder. Off the shoulder. And long sleeve. They're so cute. They're like little ruffles. Y'all excuse my nails, they're a little rough. But yeah, it's super cute. I love the colors. Fourth outfit. I know I said I was only gonna take 2 or 3 outfits, but I feel like it's safer to take a couple extra outfits just in case, because you know sometimes us girls, we feel different. We're getting different moods every day. So so sometimes we're like, oh, I want to wear this, but then 10 minutes later we're like, oh hell no, you know. So for the fourth outfit, I also found this bodysuit. I don't really know what it's called, but at H&M. It's so cute. Look. I like it because it's super simple. It's super simple, but it has, can't really fucking focus it, bro. Try to focus it. It won't focus. Anyways, all you have to know is it's sparkly. And it's like plain. It's like long sleeve. See, it's long sleeve. And it's a bodysuit. This is the front. So it goes like this. And then the back. So cute. And it's like a little bikini. It's like a little bikini type thing.
That's cute.
Little buttons down here. So that's like gonna be my shirt, basically. And then these mom jeans. Hold on. I have these mom jeans. Light wash as well. This is the back. Yeah, those are my outfits. Let me go get my sandals real quick and show y'all what shoes I'm gonna take. So let me go get my shoes real quick and I'll be right back. These are my sandals. Well, this is a pair that I'm taking. Just a plain black pair of sandals. Super cute. Matches with everything. And then I'm also gonna be taking, oops, these. They're real sparkly. Okay, these. And then, just in case, I'm taking these pink bands. So, why is it so bright? Okay, well y'all know. These pink Vans. And I think that's it. So, I mean, other than that, just my toiletries and, you know, personal hygiene stuff. So, yeah. That's what I'm taking for the trip. I'm here with the babes now, and we're gonna go get his haircut. And
My twice yearly haircut.
yeah. And we're getting ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is the big day. Don't mind this. I don't know what the fuck this is. Ice cream, maybe? Oh, yeah, I think it is ice cream. But anyways, we're driving there now. Oh, God. That's me being traumatized. Okay, guys. I can't see a fucking truck coming my way, because I swear I'm gonna get hit. Yeah. See y'all there.
Una amiga problemática y otra que casi ni habla, pero la cosa buena te habla.
Okay, okay, guys. You swear you're vaping under your mask. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna show y'all his hair right now, and I'm gonna show y'all an after. So, ooh, look how long his hair got. He hasn't gotten a haircut during quarantine at all. He wanted to shave it off himself. I said, hell no. But yeah, he had a lot of hair. That's the before. That's the before. That's the before right there. Anyways, y'all gonna see the after. Doesn't he look so handsome? Oh, he got a lollipop. But yeah, guys, this is his new hair. Are you chewing on that lollipop, right? I'm sweating.
What lollipop?
Oh my god. Anyways, such a kid. But yeah, this is new hair. Turn around. The other way. Ooh.
Sour.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yep, let's go.
Yeah, so we're on our way to pick up my little sister, and then we're gonna head to the park where they're gonna have the fireworks show, and we're gonna try to find a parking spot. So wait, I need to show y'all the sky right now because it looks so beautiful. Let me show y'all. It's only right to have my cat here.
People are gonna think it's beer, but it's really just apple juice.
How beautiful the sky is. So we're on our way to pick up my sister. I think I already said that.
He sways for her Uber drive.
I here. So we just got here and now we're just waiting. I think they're gonna start at 9:30. It's 9:08 right now. So I'm just sitting here with my cat, Moon. And Bella, she swears she's on her phone.
Mira, todavía mi vaso mira, ya me acabé todo lo que traía en el vaso y todavía no empieza, no sé qué onda. Ya me voy a deshidratar aquí. Voy a estar todo deshidratada para cuando empiecen estos cohetes ya. Ay no. Guau, ay, carnal.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I love y'all.